So here we are today in Leeds at White's Garage. That's our newest addition to our Carbon Clean Centre network. He's now going to be a Carbon Clean Centre Plus, and he's also upgraded to the DCS17, so he can do commercial vehicles with his DPF cleaner as well as the engine cleaning.
Alright, hi, my name's Andy Cattle at White's Garage in Leeds. We're an MOT testing station, family run business, and we've just invested in a Carbon Plus clean centre. We've gone for the CC16 carbon engine cleaner, but we've actually upgraded to a DCS17 DPF cleaner, so we can do commercial vehicles, light commercials and domestic vehicles. The branding and the machine, I've actually studied for a few months. I've been in contact with several other cleaning machines, and your machine, the one I picked, is the CC16, where I've invested in, I feel, the correct machine to do the job how it should be done and for the right price. Obviously it's a full package with 3 years service, and you know, he helps us out through it. You do a web page for us, help us with the marketing, and hopefully onwards and upwards, and get busier and busier with your support. Yeah, we've invested obviously in the equipment. We're now invested in advertising, so hopefully, yeah, we'll do a lot of business and try and make Leeds a greener and cleaner place to live.